Welcome to Fix It with Feng Shui Q&A. We're on to episode number 15 where I answer your Feng Shui questions. They can be about a certain part of your life or a certain part of your home, and I provide a Feng Shui answer for you. So if you have a question, email me, jill@jillethe.com, or message me on Facebook or Instagram. You can find me there at Jillethe on both of those social media platforms and at Threads as well, and I will answer it on an upcoming episode. So this particular question, in a way, was actually a response from somebody on my email list, because every now and then I'll say, send me back some part of your life that you're not happy about, and I'll provide you with a Feng Shui cure. But it's so relevant to getting the energy flowing that I wanted to share part of my answer here that I gave her, but then also some other things that you can do as well. So she said, I'm currently stuck. I'm not motivated to get things done. I feel overwhelmed by all the things I need to do. And this is something I hear all the time from clients. I just can't get started. I'm wasting time on my phone and watching TV. Of course, this makes me feel worthless, useless, and depressed. It's an endless cycle. And I just want you to know that I hear this lot. And what I love about Feng Shui is that there's always something that we can do to start shifting the energy in your home, which immediately creates a shift in your personal energy as well. It's the first thing that you can do. A lot of times it's very simple, because sometimes what happens is the things that we want most in our life, the things that we know we need to do, kind of fall into two categories. One category is the jobs just aren't very good. Like, they're kind of those crappy life things that we end up having to do, and it's like, who wants to do that? And the other category is their dreams, desires, and goals, but they're outside your comfort zone because they're not what you're currently doing now, and so it is hard to proceed forward with them. So what I love about Feng Shui is it's always my first step. And so I'm getting over that hump of either a job I don't want to do or something that feels a little bit uncomfortable because it's stepping outside of my comfort zone and I'm resistant to it. My first step is Feng Shui, and then I've already taken a step towards it. So what I would recommend is we need to increase the energy in your home. So if you're experiencing anything like this, right? Whether you're struggling to just get some stuff done in general, or whether you're struggling to go after your dreams, desires, and goals, let's increase the energy in your home. The first thing we always do is we wash the front door. This is how all energy comes into your home and life. So give that front door a good wash with a clear intention in mind of the energy that you want to bring into your home. I wash my front door all the time. This is the beauty of Feng Shui, is when you learn this tool, you will always have this tool to use. Like, I just actually have 2 goals that I'm working on this summer, and I just figured out what Feng Shui cures I'm going to add to support that energy in my home so that they can proceed along in a faster fashion, okay? So washing the front door is something that I always do. I do regularly. So wash your front door with the intention of even just increased energy to get the stuff done that you need to get done, or whatever the focus is with these things that you need to do, right? Or the dreams, desires, and goals that you're putting off. So you want to wash the front door. The next thing that you want to do is you want to do a space clearing. So I'd recommend a fire and earth space clearing. You can go on my Instagram, look at my reels, and you will find that space clearing. Or simple bowls of Epsom salts in each of the main rooms for 3 days, and then you discard them. Will also help you discard any negative energy. A sage space clearing, you can use sound like a bell or a drum, so you have lots of options there for what you can do for space clearing. What does a space clearing do? Well, it gets rid of any stuck, dull, or stagnant energy, and that happens all the time. So somebody's been sick, if there's been a lot of tension, if the attitude hasn't been very good, or if you just haven't done a space clearing in a while, there is stuck energy in your home. And we know in Feng Shui that every area of your home represents a different part of your life, so we need to get that energy flowing. So do a quick space clearing. Choose one that feels simple to you to do. So now that you've washed your front door and you've done a space clearing, you have increased the energy in your home already, which means you have positively impacted your personal energy, so you should feel more motivated to do things. The next thing isn't maybe a Feng Shui cure, but it's something I do. Do a brain dump of all the things on your to-do list and all the things that you want to do, right, in this next period of time, whether it's things that you are avoiding that you know you need to do, or things that you want to do with regards to your dreams, desires, or goals, or both. Do a whole brain dump. Cross out the ones that don't matter, that you can give to somebody else. And then what I want you to start doing is every single day take 3 actions towards whatever one of these dream, desires, and goals or things you need to do. And just choose off that list and move towards checking them off. And make a commitment to yourself that you're going to do 3 things. It can be easier to go, I'm going to take 3 actions, then I'm going to, get from here to here, right? And all of a sudden we don't want to do anything. So just commit to 3 actions a day. It will create momentum for you. It's called the way of the action taker. This is how we create more of what we want in our life based on the 9 areas of Feng Shui. It's a system that I created to make your dreams a reality. But what you're going to do is these 3 actions every day create momentum for you. They raise your energy. You get satisfaction from doing them, and then reward yourself. Sit and watch TV, scroll, go for a walk, do whatever you want to do. Just commit to 3 actions, and you'll find that you actually want to do more once you get in the momentum of doing that. And then what I want you to do is I want you to light a candle every day. And why do we light a candle every day? During this time, as we're raising the energy, candles represent fire energy. And so fire energy is very yang, kind of uplifting energy. And so what we want to do is we're raising the energy vibration in our home to help boost your personal energy. So whenever I'm working on a big goal, or I feel like the energy is a little slow in the house, I will light the candles. I have some on my dining table, or I'll light a candle here in my office. So start lighting a candle. Do this for 9 days. Raise the energy vibration in your home to raise your personal energy. So light that candle. And then the other thing that I like to do is I like to use essential oils because they shift the energy in our space and they shift our personal energy as well. So diffuse or put on like citrus essential oils are really good. Peppermint essential oils really good. These are all things that will raise your personal energy, which will help motivate you to get things done. Citrus oils like sweet orange or bergamot is also very uplifting to your spirit and your mood. So start using these sorts of things to shift the energy in your home, to shift your personal energy, to shift the energy in your life. So if you are feeling stuck, unmotivated, or unclear where you want to go, or you're resisting where you know you need to go in order to make your dreams a reality, these are the Feng Shui things that I would do to start with that. If you need Feng Shui help, if you have not yet Feng Shuied the main floor of your home, head over to jillethier.com, look under Feng Shui to see what consultations are available to you to make that happen, or learning that you can do, because this particular tool is something that you can use over and over again whenever you need to create a shift in energy in your home, to create that shift in energy in your life so that you can live the life you truly want. If you have a Feng Shui question, ask away at jillethier.com or message me on Facebook and Instagram. I'd be happy to answer it on, or you can comment below, and I'd be happy to answer your question on one of the next episodes.